coach.
Ayun, ano ako?
Huwag na gago. Alam ko nyari nga, hindi ako eh.
Para masaya, gago.
Natawa kasi ako. In the night, knowing my soul. Isip ka. Parang natawa ako. There were nights when the rain was and my body frozen dead if I just listened to it rain out. Ay, alam ko, sinuka mo ko. Wala pa nga eh. There were days when the sun was so cold. Isip?
Ano tayo matatapos din?
Natawa ko eh. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or how. And I vanished every memory you and I have ever made.
Go, Raisa!
Ay, napagod na ako. Tama na, JC. Pagpasit eh. Touch me like this, and you hold me like that. I just have to admit.
Pamadali si Aramis.
Ano matapos na?
Kabado may video eh.
When I touch you like this, and I hold you like that, it's so hard to believe that it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, so coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. With things I never do again, but then they always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than any loves in life. Baby, 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 if I could like this, and if you would stand like that,
Taas?
it's lost now. It's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, and if you need me like that, it was not long ago, but it's all coming back to me. It's so hard to resist, and it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now.